Hello everyone, today we're taking a quick look at the Tentacle virus once again. And the reason for that is that I discovered a pretty amusing quirk with the payload if you run this virus on Windows 98 as opposed to Windows 3.0 or 3.1. So we're going to change our time. If you recall from the original video, or if you haven't seen it, when programs are infected within 15 minutes past midnight on any day, Tentacle will change their icon into the tentacle. And we're going to set that up here. And if you recall, you run it and it infects one file in the Windows directory and one anywhere else. So we're going to run it here. And we can see that the dog's unlock code runs much faster than the 2 minutes or so it took in the original video. We get a different code this time, so I guess it is randomly generating something in its code. But at any rate, we're still infecting files. And since this is Windows 98, it's still built on top of some of that code from Windows 3.1. So if we scroll down, we can see all our normal Windows 98 icons. However, slowly they will start being replaced with tentacles, at least the ones that are Win16 compatible. So let's run this just a few times and see what happens. Okay, let's go back and see. Nothing yet? Well, let's refresh. There they are. So we see defrag, drive space, progman, run DLL, but not run DLL 32. That's the 32-bit version. Scan disk. Oh no, solitaire is Windows 16 compatible, and it's tentacled. It doesn't want to let me run it. I think that's just a weird quirk with Windows 98 when you refresh, and sometimes it messes up. Yeah, there we go. So it still works, but now you can tell it's infected with Tentacle. And my very favorite here is WinVer. When you run it, it tells you what Windows version you're running, but when the icon is replaced, we can see Windows 98 Tentacle. Copyright 1981 to 1999, Microsoft Corporation. So just a quick amusing look at what the Tentacle virus can do on an operating system it was not designed for, but it's still amusing anyway. And I'm hoping to get back to regular videos next week. The reason for this quick video this week is my cat Buster had to have some surgery done, so I did not have a lot of time or the right mental headspace to really dive into some viruses and pick them apart for a video. But he's recovering well now and he's doing just fine, so should be good to go for new videos for next week. But that is about it for the Tentacle virus revisit on Windows 98. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.